What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. We're gonna be, you know, continuing the learning process. We're now on the review for this part of the. I don't think I can pull up the thing. Maybe here. Let's just go ahead and continue. So this is the review. We learned about errors, logical errors. I know we learned about the if statements. Compile and execute steps.cpp. Steps. I thought we did floating point 20 divided by 30. Yeah, I remember doing that. Link time errors. Apparently I completed all of this. I don't remember. Okay, let's just continue. So the review, compile time errors, found in the compiler. Link time errors, they are in the linker, which I believe is after compiling. Runtime errors, logical errors. Okay. Yeah, I don't code enough to find all this. I'm still like for class right now for computer science 1, we're just kind of still learning about the beginnings. Like we're not even at loops yet. We're just in the very, very beginning. Learning about computer sciences. So let's see, because your friend didn't debug along the way, they ended up with a super buggy program. Can you be a bug detective and help them debug their program? The final program should print a fortune message like flattery will go far tonight. Like this one right here. Random message. Why is it dividing by, I don't know if there's only a few debugs or if there's a lot. So we're just gonna go ahead and we'll give it enough space. Like right there. This one, we're good. So okay, so we have semicolons, else if. For this one, I believe when you have just one equals, the equals is, it's like setting it like fortune equals 0. But if you're doing the double equals, then you're checking true or false. Does fortune equals? So let's see. Oh, this one doesn't even have one. What else? So we have count. We need to have the 2 colons and it needs to say, I call it count, but it's C out. I think it's character out or something like that. Else if, I think this one can be else. This last one here. But it could be else if as well, so it doesn't really matter. What is this though? SRAM. I don't know what this is right here. And fortune. Also, is that gonna be is that actually an integer or is that gonna be a double? Main. Oh, this has to be lowercase. Main. Do we have a closer? Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Alright, next up we have vectors. I don't know what vectors are. To do just about anything of interest in a program, we need a group of data to work with. I'm assuming this is because, from what I know, C++ doesn't have arrays or lists or anything like dictionaries. So maybe this is where you start creating them. A list of Twitter's trending tags, just a list about anything. You need lists, right? It's like for data and stuff like that. We are familiar with data types, but how do we store a group of ints or a group of doubles? And I think when in C++, when we create lists, they all have to be the same data type. Like in JavaScript, you can pretty much have an array of any value. You can have a number, then a string, then a float, which is a double, like a decimal. Alright, so the useful ways to store data in a vector. A vector is a sequence of elements that you can access by index. Alright. So let's continue. I thought I pressed it. Oh, was there two? I somehow exited, but since I'm not paying for it, I'm doing the free version, so I have a bunch of incompletes. In order to have the quizzes and the projects, you need to pay for the full version or get the free trial. But free trials are only like 7 days, so I don't really do them. And then if you don't remember to cancel the free trial, then they charge you. I've had that happen pretty often, so I don't do free trials. Alright, so creating the vector. STD vectors. Oh, and then you're gonna need a vector. Okay, cool. So it's not a natural thing for C++. You have to add a library. For review, let's see, include. Here's a preprocessor. Okay, that includes a library. Vector type, name. So right here we have a double. So we have double. We haven't added anything, I'm assuming. So define a vector of ints called calories. Alright, so we're gonna do another one. Vector. I know it's gonna be called calories, but I don't know what type it's gonna be. It's an integer. Oh, I don't have to do that. To do it down here. Inside of the angle brackets is the type of vector. Okay. The Tokyo subway has different payment options for adults. We have declared a double vector already. Let's declare another double. And then let's name it Subway Child. Subway, damn, I can't spell Subway today. There it is. Oh. There it is. Okay. Run it. Done. Alright, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.